What's up everybody, Vince here, and I am back with another Hungryroot giveaway. Yes, that's right, I am about to give away a box of Hungryroot, a $100 value. If you don't know what Hungryroot is, it's a vegan, gluten-free, plant-based meal service, and they deliver convenient meals that all you have to do is throw them together in a matter of minutes, 15 minutes or less actually, and you have delicious, healthy meals delivered to your door. I'm going to give you the biggest box they have. It is a $99 value, and it's going to give you a whole week's worth of meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts. And the desserts are some of the best. They've got some great cookie doughs, some brownie batter, and some coconut cookies. I love the desserts. They make it so worth it to eat healthier. So if you've been wanting to try Hungryroot, here is your chance to try it for free. So how does the giveaway work? All you have to do is subscribe to my channel right there and leave a comment below, just one comment, and on August 24th I'm going to pick a random comment and that person will be the winner. In order to win, you must be 18 years or older and you must live in the 48 lower states so that you can have the product shipped to you. You must also have an address that I can ship to as well. If you don't want to enter the contest but you do want to try Hungryroot for yourself, I've got a coupon code for you. Use the link below in the description box, and then when you check out, enter Vince for $25 off your first 2 orders, a total savings of $50 off. So on the 24th, I'm going to draw the winner, Thursday, August 24th, and then on August 29th, your box will arrive with all your delicious, vegan, gluten-free, Hungryroot deliciousness. So why not enter? Why not try it for free? Go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a lot more videos in 2018 and 2019, and it's great to have everybody on board. It's really fun how Hungryroot has provided me an opportunity to reach out to more people and make more videos and more content. So thanks for subscribing, and good luck. And I'll see you on Thursday the 24th when I draw the winner. Bye-bye.